Hi everyone, this is Peter here. Today's video is going to be my last macro vlog for 2023. We are at Gels Park and usually I come here to shoot birds, but this time we're going to try our luck shooting macros. Let's search for some subjects. I have found a fungus-eating ladybird right here. I'm going to try and capture it. It's a bit breezy today, so quite difficult to track this little subject of ours. Maybe it's gonna come closer. All right, let's move on. I find our second subject, which is a shield bug or a sting bug, and it's moving quite a bit. Turning around now, moving to the side. Jesus, it's really hard to track it. Maybe one more. I have found some lacewing larvae that are attached to one of these pine needles, and I have got the magnification ratio set to 0.5 to 1 because I want to capture the whole lot. I have found another subject, a robber fly that's resting right here. Let's try and get some side portraits. Not too bad. Currently I'm at 0.75 to 1, so not even 1 to 1 magnification. Maybe I should get a little bit closer. Just making sure that I've got focus on the eyes, and now I'm gonna move it all the way to 2 to 1. It's just too close, flew away. By the way, if you'd like to know more about how I set up my Canon R7 for macro photography, then you should also check out this tutorial. I will leave a link in the description box as well. I found a very small spider with interesting patterns. I'm gonna try and identify it later on. There's a tiny little orb beaver that's currently hunting now. I have zoomed out. I'm gonna try and capture it right in the middle. It's gone. I have no idea what this is. Looks like some sort of lava. Does look interesting. Yeah, it looks like some sort of lava for sure. There's a crab spider here. Just turned away from me. Now it's turning back. Amazing how large those legs are. Turned around. Not sure what this prey is, but it is currently ensnared or trapped in this cobweb, and it has a beautiful green long abdomen. There are a couple of spiders here, and one is a cobweb spider and the other one is a species that I captured the last time I was doing macro at the local nature reserve. I think it is a kleptoparasitic species that likes to use other spider species webs, and that is how it catches prey. I can see the pedipalps. Beautiful spider. I've got a couple of really iridescent green bottleflies. Unfortunately, it has turned away from me. Actually, a couple there, facing each other right now. And now I'm gonna try and approach them from the side. Oh, that looks so cool. Hopefully they're gonna stay in one place. Unfortunately they moved. That's not bad. A few European honeybees hovering here. It's really hard to track them. The movement can be quite erratic. There's a little dotted here. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up now. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Wishing you all a very happy festive season and catch you all very soon in the next year.